This is part of a tutorial series on how to complete GoldenEye 007 for the N64. This is aimed at newer players who are looking to unlock their cartridge for speedrunning purposes or for any other reason. So today we're looking at Train 00 Agent, and there are 5 objectives. You need to destroy all the brake units. I'll show you where all those are. There are multiple. Rescue Natalia, locate Yana's secret base, crack Boris's password. These 3 here, B, C, and D, all occur in the same room. And lastly, escape to safety. 2 different ways to do that. I'll show you a hack, kind of easy way to do it, and then I'll explain to you how to escape if that doesn't work. So the key with Train is to proceed slowly and methodically through the level. Every guard you kill is one less you have to worry about later. So take this guy out first on the right. You can kill him from behind cover. And you want to use cover to your advantage throughout the level. It's one trick you can do by aiming and then peeking out with the strafe buttons either left or right. And just very, very slowly, again, we're not looking to speed run this level right now. We're just looking to get it to complete. Here's one of the brake units. Destroy that. Now there are guards here that are in black uniforms. They can be in random locations. There are 2 of them in this train car. The one can appear right there. There are other locations as well that I'll point out. When you otherwise proceed from left to right, the guards in gray will be in the same position every time. Another location. Can also be behind there as well. If you have a guard, if you're lucky enough to have a guard there, just crouch down and kill him that way. And then again, the ones in the gray uniforms will be in the same locations every time. You want to collect ammo as you go, so that it doesn't become a problem later. Now the passenger cars, there's a trick you can do to kill from safety. I'm going to continue to use cover. You can run into a passenger car here, one that has the windows, duck inside, because there are guards that will come from behind you as well, and you can shoot them through the windows. Makes it very easy. Now, there are a number of guards that will rush that doorway. Be very careful there. You can back out, you can run into cover here. All kinds of tricks. You can try to lure them. And same thing in this passenger car too. There are guards that will come from behind. You can always close the door on them as well. Now here in these next cars, the guards can be in random locations, effectively. So be prepared for anything. The next door will always have 2 guards that will come out of it that are dual-wielding ZMGs. They have a lot of firepower, so be careful with these guys. Now those ZMGs are yours, and now you have the firepower. Definitely use that to your advantage. Last brake unit is around the corner here. You have 1 guard left. 2 guards will come out of this door. They'll come from around the corner here, coming out that door. And there may be a guard behind you as well. That spawns. So just clean that up so they don't cause you any problems later. So here's the trick. Arumov is who you have to kill in order to free Natalia. But if you kill Xenia at the same time, you'll have a lot more time with which to work to complete the end safely. So you don't have to rush. Line up the 2 of them, Arumov and Xenia. Aim carefully. And you can kill them both. That'll cause Natalia to start her sequence earlier while you take out the door, or the locks. And then the clock starts counting down. Now, I always have the door closed just in case there's a guard that I haven't killed. You'll see that door, or hear that door open first before they start shooting. So now here, Objective C is completed. Objective D will complete now relatively early. Otherwise, it completes with about 4 seconds to go. If that happens, you have to, when you leave here, you run to the left. And you have 3 guards you have to kill. Here, you have plenty of time. You can run to the right. That's toward the exit. And you run. Decreases your chances of being killed, and also helps Natalia to escape safely as well. Otherwise, she gets caught in the explosion. That's why you have to run to the left if you're leaving right now. And that's Train 00 Agent. Again, not a very fast run, but that's not what you're going for here. You're just looking to complete it. And Train is a difficult level to complete. So, with that, best of luck. And good luck in unlocking those cartridges.